Yeah, can we talk about it? You know why me I talk about it? Me dey in a similar position, you know. Me did I talk to one man. Any girl come from foreign of them girl them want. Cause he was a thief. Them time them me no know say a licky man licky. Yeah. Any girl come from foreign and come in our area, I him get the girl them. Yeah. I him get the girl. I'm married for papers. Any man you still love married for papers and love likes. Be careful, ladies. Let me draw this. Be careful when you meet man per internet and then show no interest and they interested in you, and they're interested in the money we wanna send come give them. On top man. Take on the money and go look after yourself. Some of you not even blood cleats stay good. Take money and go look after yourself. And stop man. Take money and go look after yourself. And stop man. Man too much, man. I'm in a business who want come chat. Come here chat. When I go to Jamaica, take up the worst man them in Jamaica, the street side, something them. Carry them go foreign. Wanna not carry them go foreign now. Wanna realize that them now look no work. The man they tell you say you want work. Wanna not make foreign look like it easy. I used to when I wanna call, the woman them keep quiet. You know why the woman them keep quiet? Because una go send the money and she go get out of it. So she keep quiet because her man don't have no money. And you where they are foreign, I go send the money to him and I saw it go. The two of them are near money out. More time the woman them know say them man want reach a foreign. So then keep quiet. Don't think of him alone in a room when I wanna call. Sometimes the woman them in the room, them girlfriend or them baby mother, and then just keep quiet. Me no know my eyebrow brush gone, so I want to look comb me I use. Yeah. So don't feel like say the woman no know. Sometimes the woman they know, and then we all act like a them cousin. Don't make them fool, you know. Then we say a them cousin. And the woman them a keep quiet because una send money and they want money. More time when I buy these men the car and give them nice things. And them a one next woman a spar. Me nah ask you no. I tell you no. Cause me used to do it. Them see a man, then come to Jamaica and see a man. Take your man, go foreign. And then swear then can't get the man. Yeah. The man no stop bun them. Put on socks and come go work. The man no stop get them bun. Then get bun night and day. Religiously. What me say? Them get bun religiously. And stop go to Jamaica, go pick up the one them when I have no ambition. Wanna not pick up some man where I work. Wanna can't find them man there. Every minute you go to Jamaica, go find the man them and come back. Him use me. Nobody no use you know. I wanna get the man them things. Wanna love my man. Go over there, so. Yeah. Me I talk about the big woman them where leave England, Canada, America, and go to Jamaica go pick up some street boys. Boys when no work hard. Boys when never work before. Let me tell you something. You see if you not give somebody an opportunity Like you don't want to help them little youth, you have to come a foreign, help them. Don't think someone has some big old woman and you don't carry them come a foreign and them go sit down like one little sit, boo-boo sit and do anything you say them to do. Because you not help them. Because you not help them, you don't want to mistreat the people them boy pitney. You don't stop it. Stop it, man. Because you don't care them go foreign, you don't want to mistreat the people them boy pitney. One day I'm up on my live, you know. And I meet this young man. Him no know what to do, him no know if to get him papers in our country because his woman are treat him bad. They have one pizza. So and some curly fries. They carry one slice that way. Yeah. She a treat the youth bad. And want the youth do all sort of something. When she carry the people, them boy pick come and foreign. On the top it, man. And then, through they not have them papers now, you not threaten them. I say, you not call immigration if them not do this or if they not do that. And if they have one little picnic with you, like if they have youth with them, then use the child as pawn. You're not going to get to see a picnic. On the top it as woman. I go to Jamaica, carry over a little young boy them and feel like them are go work. Them not supposed to work. When any day at Jamaica, I want to give them money. No, then come and foreign and not tell them say for work. Why? Them don't know what name so. You never go take up one little farmer. You never go take up one little carpenter. You never go take up one little welder. You never go take up one. And them man, they want to go Jamaica go help. If me go to Jamaica and say me I look one man right now, him have to have a skill. Go take up one mechanic. My brother down there want to come a foreign. You go and go look for him now and carry him come. He can work, he fix car. He will make money. And them man, they want to help. I'm going to take up some little young street boy. Whenever work from the day them born. And now say, he thief me money. He can me. Nobody no can no. Nobody no can no. I want no can no self. Nobody no can no. Oh man, take on no money. Nobody no can no. I want no can no self. Nobody no can no. Oh man, take on no money. Oh, somebody for the Jamaica take on the money. Tell the people them say I want to send no money to them. Where my next trainers there? Tell the people them say when they come on social media, cry say the man thief for no money, then rob me, then con me. Talk say you send the money go give the man. Or the man for thief for no money. Nobody no thief for no money. On the top it, man. No man thief for no money. Nobody no thief for no money. What wanna do? Wanna take on the money and get the man. No, not talk about then thief for no money. Nobody no thief for no money. Wanna willfully go Western Union or do it on the phone and send money go Jamaica to these men. Cause a hot man don't want. So hot man don't get. Don't get me wrong, man do it too. Man do it too. You have some man, yes, you have some man go marry some little young girl. Then left them family and go, they run up and down, and when age time come, take them and they want to settle down. Then go try find one little young somebody. And the girl then come afar and the girl then near me to no friggin' money. Thank you. And gone left for no. Wanna think you can hold them? Okay, me gone. Place nice. Bedspread. Yeah. Yeah. Spread on the bed before you come out and go up on the road. Yeah. Sunroom nice. Alright, I'm out. Yeah, we have a talk now. Stop go to Jamaica. But take up the little renter boy. Yeah. Them a look smart if you mind them. When you come a foreign, most of them they are foreign, yeah, they established. They have house, they have one little money, they have car, they're lonely and desperate. Go to Jamaica. You look like some you don't know how to fall in love. Why me can't go to Jamaica? I'm fine. One of them little careless boy, yeah. I say, hey, me I'm married, you and carry you come on. Me not depend that blood cleat. Me not think say me come a foreign, come work hard, and then I'll just come to Jamaica and I go take up something little carelessness and carry come a foreign say, me and him go make life. If somebody there on the roadside, never work, bleach out, tight pants, always a go dance, I drink rum, boom, Magnum, Hennessy, have much in woman, multiple baby mother. Oh, you might come a foreign come work. Them man they not work. Right now, if me I go to Jamaica, me I look a man. I want a welder, a carpenter, somebody where I use their hand. Even a farmer. Yeah. Them man they get opportunity to come a foreign. They are going to work. I just the truth. I just the truth, sister girl. Not tell no lie. Not tell no lie. But take up some hard working man at Jamaica and carry them. Give them the opportunity to come a foreign. I wanna see. Oh, una and them man they make it. No man. Una want nice man. Man will look good. I look them I look pan, you know. Then I look for ambition. Looks. Some of the women have low self-esteem, man. And some of the man licky like some gal. Me don't show a cocky partner. Oh. You don't do that. You can cook some food, yes, and you eat, but you don't think me to take up my money like that. And just mind you. And when your birthday come, I give you money for go buy rum. Because you sit on the roadside. No. Anybody want my money? I like say, I say want to raise some chicken. I want to raise some pig. Or some goat. He have to be a farmer. So when I come to Jamaica, I'm not hungry. I can get yam and banana, some mango, something like that. Yeah. From you see, you're there with one man and you have to do everything. Big red flag. Are you are the man? Are you are the man and him are the girl? The world turn round now. The man them now, some of them are the girl. So what you have to do now, just cut them up and skin them out. You have one man right now, cut him up and skin him out. And see if him skin out like a girl. And you are the man, start saka them. You is the man. Yeah. Them are Shelly and you're Roy. Stop take up manly things on your head. And then when I want to carry the man, then come a foreign now. And then get them green card. As then get the green card, they left for no. As then get the little red book, they left for no. Baby, when you come, when I file for you, here's how it's gonna go. You're gonna have to start save some money babysitter, 21 and over. So, baby, when you come to England, or when I'm doing the paperwork for England or any other foreign country, ladies, listen what I have to say to the man them. I'm not read no comment. I'm going to go and tap up the live. Thank you. Oh, my life goal. Thanks. I achieve my life goal. Thanks for the gifts. Okay, here I know. You see when I do the filing for you, let me know if you can't hear, because I will go down the tunnel. You see when I do the filing for you, remember I say I work at Jamaica, so of course I have the money. Yeah, them type of man them I talk now. I not talk the little street rat. No, I talk the good up man them at Jamaica. We are work. Alright. Remember, you know, go down go take up now careless man, So the money where you take up now have ambition. Want come a foreign to help you and to help himself and your family. Because you have to remember your mother, Always remember the man, their mother and father. Yeah. So when you come a foreign, you have to help himself. Pay for him papers. Because I'm not free papers him I get, So you see one time, if him do change his mind, after he come and get through, me know say I never me alone pay for it. So if the man gone, the man pay for him papers. So you're not going to feel no way. Consider yourself as an angel. You just help another youth. Yeah. But no, you don't do that. You don't do that. What you do? You go on like foreign easy. You go on like say you have money. The man never work for the money. Never come a foreign. I don't know what I'm doing. Too desperate, man. Man and woman do it. Come here, man, and talk how they help. Young girl come a foreign and girl left them. And then you have some good girl now, they are foreign. Can't find no good man. And you have some good man, they are foreign. You can't find no good girl. It's just life. So you see me now, me just enjoy my life. Me now make cocky and front bother me. I just said to myself, what is to be must be. I not rush in and nothing. I not rush up in and nothing and then go crash. Crazy. Yeah. I not look for nobody. I want me to you know, see I work me I go. As long as me have my pound, me good. I want me to you. I said to myself, if I look a man, he must be hard working. He must have something too. The blood clot, I not show a cocky partner. Duh. When you see me come on social media, I'm sorry for me. You don't know my business. You see if me have one man, you don't not see me man. No. You not go see hand. I wanna see ears. You cannot see my man. Crazy. I put my man on social media. Him not get that exposure. No sir. And then when he got no a problem. As long as me have my money, me good. Talk to me nice. Crazy. It's all about the dollars. It's all about good life now and travel. What me want right now, me not talk. When it come through me talk. Travel. Travel, me want to travel the world. Yeah, one man was there. You want one next child? Sir, who I go carry that guy to school? I have that time there. I travel time. Yeah. Money there on my head right now. I have to make money. My mother there at Jamaica have one and she need money. My father catch a stroke, she need money. My auntie help my mother, she need money. Yeah. Me and my granny down there, they need money. Why me I take up my money now and give man? And my mother need it. And she birth me. And she me fi send it to. So anyway, I'm gonna love you guys and leave you. But I'm gonna go right now. Cause good girl need to walk up because time is going. So I'm out. So perhaps tomorrow morning I will come again and talk to you. So peace out. Bye guys.